So do you also use JustDial to get more leads for your business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly Connect, and in this video we are going to understand how to add new clients from JustDial to Google Sheets automatically. So like you, I'm also using JustDial for my business, and now what I want is that as soon as we receive a new lead from JustDial, I want to add the lead details into my Google Sheets. So to do this, we are simply going to create a connection between JustDial and Google Sheets, and we are going to create this connection without knowing any programming or coding language using an amazing automation software which is Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to create this amazing automation for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video I'll show you how to automatically capture new lead details from JustDial and add them into Google Sheets. This setup captures the lead information and adds it neatly into the spreadsheet, helping you to organize the leads, manage the follow-ups and track the response rates without any manual work. It's a great way to stay on the top of incoming business from JustDial and never miss an opportunity. So let's build this automation step by step. So to do this, I'm just going to open a new tab and I'm just going to look for the landing page of Pabbly Connect simply by searching pabbly.com/connect in my browser. Now it is opening the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and over here you're going to see that using this amazing automation software only we're going to create this connection between JustDial and Google Sheets. But before we move on further, I'll just let you know something really helpful. This right over here is Pabbly Community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share your workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges like you. It's an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. So the link to join this is in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. I'm just going to move on forward towards the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and over here we're just going to get two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore the application. But over here I'm an existing user, so I'm simply going to click on this button which says sign in, and once I'm just going to click on this sign in, it is opening all Pabbly apps, and over you're going to see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video we are going to use Pabbly Connect because we are connecting different applications. So I'm simply going to click on this access now right over here to access my Pabbly Connects account, and once I'm just going to click on this access, now it is going to open the dashboard of my Pabbly Connects account. And to get started, I'm simply going to click on this button which says create workflow, and over here we have two options in order to create the workflow: a new workflow builder which is modern, faster and more flexible, and a classic which is stable and familiar approach. So you can use any one of this, but today we have recently launched this new beta version which is more modern, faster and flexible. So we're going to use this today. Alright, so I'm just going to simply click on this select button right over here. Alright, and now it is asking me for the workflow name and the folder I want to save the workflow in. So over here on my dashboard you can see many folders which I've already created in which I save my workflows. So if you also want to create a new folder, you can go towards this create new folder button right over here given on the dashboard, and your folder will be created. I've already created many folders, so I'm just going to save my workflow in one of these only, which is automations, and now I'm just going to name my workflow as this: add new clients from JustDial to Google Sheets automatically. And then I'm just going to simply click on this button which says create, and once I'm just going to click on this create, it is going to open the most important window of our automation, which is our workflow window. So this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. So trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this, and by this you can understand that the actions are response towards the commands given by a trigger. So over here on my window you can see that we are getting the option to add the trigger, and further I'm just going to show you how we can add the action too. So to add the trigger, I'm simply going to click on this plus button right over here, and now for my trigger application I'm simply going to select it as JustDial because I want to create this automation where what is going to happen is whenever we're going to receive a new lead from JustDial, I want to trigger this workflow or start this workflow. So I'm simply going to select my trigger application as JustDial, and now for the app event I'm just going to select it as new leads, and now I'm just going to click on this connect, and now it is giving me a webhook URL. So we're just going to use this same webhook URL in order to create a connection between our JustDial and our Pabbly Connects workflow. Alright, so what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to simply copy this webhook URL, and now to automate the lead capture, after copying this webhook URL, we have to configure it in your JustDial account. So in order to configure it in your JustDial account, you have to reach out to your accounts manager from JustDial, because JustDial doesn't provide the provision to add the webhook URL as a user. You have to reach out someone from the backing team or the account manager of your JustDial account in order to add this webhook URL into your account. Alright, and once they add the webhook URL, your connection will be successful. I have already connected this, so I'm just going to wait for the webhook response. And as you can see that we have successfully captured the response right over here. You're going to see that we have successfully captured the response 1 second ago. We're going to see the phone number which we have received, the last name, the first name, the email address, the company name, and the city. So yes, I'm just going to add these details only right over here into my Google Sheets. And for that, what I'm just going to do is, first I'm just going to click on this cross button and I'm just going to close this. And now I'm just going to add the action. So to add the action, you're going to see the button of this add action step right over here. So we can simply click on this add action step. And now right over here, I'm just going to add the action, which is Sheets, which is my Google Sheets. So I'm just going to search for Google Sheets, because what I want is I want to add the JustDial lead details into my Google Sheets, right? So I'm just going to search for Google Sheets and I'm just going to select this Google Sheets right from here. And once I'm just going to select it, it is saying app events. I'm just going to simply select it as add new row and click on this button which says connect. And once I'm just going to click on this connect, in order to connect Google Sheets, you have to go towards this add a new connection, and then you have to go towards this sign in with Google. And once you go towards this sign in with Google, Pabbly is going to ask you to select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to connect your Google Sheets. So I'm simply going to select my Gmail account right over here, with the help of which I'm just going to connect my Google Sheets. And now Pabbly is asking me for some permissions. So I'm simply going to click on this allow and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because my data is secure with Pabbly. And once I'm just going to click on this allow, my Google Sheets account has been connected right over here. And now it is asking me to select the spreadsheet and the sheet. So over here, I'm just going to select my spreadsheet, which is named lead details. I'm just going to select the same. And now after selecting the spreadsheet, I'm just going to select the sheet, which is sheet 1. And now I'm just going to move on further, and I'm just going to add all of these details one by one, which is first name, last name, email, and rest of the details. So we have received these details in the response of our JustDial, right? So I'm just going to simply map these details. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And as you know, our previous step was the trigger step, where we selected JustDial as our trigger application. So we are simply going to map the details from the response of a trigger application only. And as soon as we're just going to map these details, automatically my details will turn dynamic and change with every new response received. So I'm just going to map the first name right over here, then I'm just going to map the last name right over here in the last name field, then I'm just going to map the email in the email field right over here. I'm just going to move on further. I'm just going to map the phone number right over here, then I'm just going to move on further. I'm just going to map the company name right over here, then I'm just going to move on further, and I'm just going to map the city too right over here. So I'm just going to look for the city and I'm just going to map it. And as you can see that we've successfully mapped all of these details, and now I'm just going to click on this save and send test request. And once I'm just going to click on this save and send test request, we have received the response right over here that we've successfully added these lead details into our Google Sheets. So I'm just going to open my Google Sheets, and as you can see, the lead details have been added right over here. You're going to see the first name, the last name, the email address, the phone number, the company name, and the city. These are the same details which we received right over here from our JustDial, right? So yes, now what is going to happen is that whenever we're going to receive a new lead from JustDial, automatically the details will be added right over here in my spreadsheet. All of this is going to happen in backend, and we can just sit back and relax. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. So now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.